This is Lefty. And this is Kirkzilla. This is Bird Hunting Central. Yeah! Well, we made it down here, down on the railroad tracks. Feeling pretty good. It's about 85 out. About, what is it, 11 o'clock? Kirk, what do you think?
Yeah, it's 11.
About 11? Yeah, he thinks it's about 11 here. We're about to go get us some big old birds. Stay tuned. All right, we're down here, railroad side, out bird hunting. There's a lot out. Maybe get a big one. Maybe even look for some chipmunks. Fuck, I don't know. It just feels pretty good out, man. I'm feeling pretty confident we're gonna get some good action shots today. So just stay tuned. Yoo-hoo! Kirk's right here, boy. You see her? Yeah, she's pretty far out there. I don't know if you can get her. Here, hold the viewers now.
Bruh.
Alright, let me stop recording it. Looks like we got a butte up over here on this limb here. Kirk, you're missing it, boy. Oh, it's literally just straight ahead. Like on that limb right there, you don't see it? Look, on that limb hanging down closest to us. Here, hold the camera. Let old Lefty take a shot. It's literally on this limb right here. Got the first one on the day, boys. Hell yeah, let's go see her.
Got it zoomed in.
Hell, you dropped that bird like a sack of shit. Ugh. Man, where'd it go? Oh, it was right there on that limb, so it's gotta be. Maybe like right here. Well, what do you think? And move on?
Move on. Long day ahead. Let's how you feel, Dalton? That's your first
I feel
kill.
pretty good. And somewhere within that shit, I'm kind of fucking lazy to go get it. But damn, I'm pretty sure I just domed her from 15 feet. That's a pretty good shot right there, boys. Let's go on to the next one. Now, as bird hunting central goes, we like to give hunting tips. As you can see down here, right, where the fuck is it at? It's right there, I think. That's some good old raccoon shit. That's a good sign that the birds are out eating right now, you know what I mean? You just fucking stick your finger in there, taste it even if you want to. It seems pretty fresh, so we ain't got to do it, but there's a bird hunting tip right there for you. Got a chipmunk up here up on the right. Kurt's gonna take a sweet ass shot. I know she just went in the weeds here. Up in Vegas, you got a dang chipmunk. Probably gonna have to wait her out. See, all you bird hunting central viewers, what you want to do if you get a chipmunk in these weeds here, these tall weeds up around here, you just want to wait and see it'll touch them tall weeds and you see that weed moving. And that'll give its spot away. That's what we do when we chipmunk out here. I'm currently not seeing anything, not hearing anything. Here, Kurt, give her the old rock test. I'm not seeing anything. What's your call, Kurt? Should we wait her out or should we keep on going? Always the toughest decision in bird hunting.
So we give it a little longer.
Give it a little longer, all right. Yeah, she probably moved up. She's heading this way right here. She probably moved up along here somewhere. Patience is key, boys. You seen anything?
No.
I think we might as well go up and see if she ain't just sitting still. See if we can scurry her up. Well, see, boys, not every animal you see is 10 out of 10 shot, but I just thank God I'm blessed with the two-time running champion chipmunk hunter. Got fastest finger trigger both sides of the Mississippi, and I'm just blessed to have him with me. Just looking at a butte over here up on this little limb. You know, like we say in bird hunting central, barrel up, bird down. Oh, she's flying away. Yeah, I think she's perched over here. There she is, there she is. Oh, that's a beautiful shot, Kurt. Take her. I think your gun misfired, boy.
Bruh.
Well, we're down here at the second trestle. We like to call this bird hunting highway. Gotten a lot down here, nose itches. See something down there? Looks like the old creek's up. Here, you want to take it? Got a squirrel, boys. We got a squirrel, boys. It's right on this big tree on the backside. Oh, there she is. 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 She's running. She's up on that tree now. She's right up on that tree. Wait for her to come around on her. Oh, that's a beat. Oh, that is a beat. Here, Kirk, you stay and watch that side. I don't think she moved on us here. I didn't see her move, did you?
You heard that too, right?
Here, I'll watch over here. You go check the backside of that tree. Kirk, 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 Kirk. Dude, I could dome that sumbitch right now.
Where is it?
Right here, right here. It's right in the fork in that tree, boy. Here, you want her or you want me to grab her? See her in the fork of the tree? Oh, that is a beat right there.
In the fork of the tree.
Yeah, don't you see his fucking tail, boy? Here. Looks like she's going up on the other side now. Yeah, she's right in the fork of that tree right there.
This one?
Yeah, don't you see her?
No.
Oh, that is a beaut, boys. See if I can get her on the old action cam here. I think that should be her right there. I think that is her. Yes, it is. Yes, sir, Bob, dude. She's just sticking there, man. Like we don't even see her. See what would be the best approach for this plane here. Holy shit, it's fucking hot out, damn it. You don't see her from that side? Don't want to take my eyes off. She's so beautiful. It's right at this fork, Kirk. I'm staring right at it. Its bushy tail's up on the other side. Do you see it?
I see it. Okay.
Yeah. See what I'm saying? Man, I could have done that sumbitch if I wasn't such a good cameraman, but yeah. Oh, Kirk, this side. Oh, that's a beautiful shot now. Oh, here, right here, right here. I think that's her front right shoulder right there. If you just want to pump a few, if you think you can get it, wait until he pokes his head back around. I'd say try to aim for the head on her.
Yeah. It's just chilling out.
Yeah, we're gonna have to wait this sumbitch out, dude. Hey, we're gonna have some barbecued squirrel legs tonight, boy. Oh, she's twitching now. Oh. This would be your shot, boy. This would be your shot. I'll just go ahead and take it. Oh, it's crawling up on the other side now. Oh, Kirk, she's coming down or coming up. On that side. Other side. Other side. Let it climb back around. See if old Kirk gets a shot here. I gotta drop the camera. I gotta get this up.
huge. Did it just die?
You run down there and see if you see anything. Holy fuck, boys, might have just got us a goddamn squirrel, man. Super fucking horny right now. She just fucking jumped out of that some tree and just fucking thudded on the ground. We're hoping it's a kill, clean kill, cause I'm fucking hungry, just fell down. Fucking hungry for some goddamn, Kirk just fell down. Oh shit, man. This trail's dangerous, man. Fucking horny for some goddamn barbecue squirrel legs. Oh, we got a fence. Oh, fuck. I'm all wrapped up. You see something? You see anything?
Thudded. That was a loud thud.
Yeah, I think it was across the fence, wasn't it?
I think so.
Well, damn, I don't see nothing. Alright. We're gonna hop on this fence here and try to blood trail her. We'll catch you back once we get her. Some bitch got away from us. You know, it's like I was saying earlier, boys. Not every shot's a 10 out of 10. Hopefully we get something big for the first episode. I mean, I really want this shit to go out with a bang, you know what I'm saying? But stay tuned. We'll try to get something for you, boys. Chipmunk up here. I could have sworn there was a chipmunk, man. I tell you what, them chipmunks are slicker than goat shit. The old rock test has failed again. Alright, we gotta get something, man. We gotta get something. Stay tuned, boys. I just spotted something. Not really for sure on what it is. Whatever it is, if we shoot it, he just fell down. It's what are you looking at there, bud?
Oh, squirrel tail wrapped around the
Oh, you
bank.
saw a squirrel. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Where at? On the big tree here?
Yeah.
Oh, it'd be some bitch to get if we got it. Phew.
Oh boy.
I ain't really seeing anything. The old rock method. Kirk's go-to move. What limb was it on here? This closest one to us?
Yeah.
Well, hell, she could be down there. I didn't see anything run back. Alright, we're gonna wait this squirrel out, boys. Just stay tuned about the back of biggin'. Yeah, boys, man. Kirk fucking pulled up that gun so quick I couldn't even get my phone out. God damn, he fucking shot himself a butte. 10 feet out probably. Let's go see what he's got up here. Had to get something for you boys on the first episode. It's right there, Kirk. I see the wings. It's right next to the railroad tie, boy. Right under that X right there. Right there, man.
Oh.
Yeah. There he is pulling her out. Oh, that's a beaut. Oh, yeah. Here, bring this up. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, that's real nice. Looks like you wing shot her. Alright. See if we can get anything else on the bird hunting highway when we're heading out here, boys. Just stay tuned. Alright, boys. This is the one that we got back on the day here. She's a real nice specimen. Such a beaut. Such a beautiful shot from 10 feet out. Looks like you wing shot her. Cut the neck right there, man. Now, boys in Illinois are #1 nationwide for bird hunting in Illinois. And this is proof right here. That is a beaut. That's a nice one right there. Well, I hope you boys enjoyed that bird hunting video, bird hunting central video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like it, and always tune in whenever we don't have a set schedule when we film this shit. For all your tips and tricks for bird hunting, until next time, barrel up, bird down. Yee-hoo! Yee-hoo! Yee-hoo!